So today we are going to learn about ultrasonic sensor, and we can start with taking up an Arduino as always, and we can also take up an LED for this program. And as you all know, with an LED comes a resistor. I'm going to change it to 100 ohms and connect it to pin number 30. Alright, so there we have our LED. Now ultrasonic sensor, if you scroll down enough, you will find one, but it has 3 pins. And for today's purpose, we are going to use the 4-pin one. So I want you all to search ultrasonic, and once you search, you'll find it. So here is our 4-pin one. In our lab also, and in Ravi sir's session also, this is the one that we actually saw in work. Okay. So as you can see, ultrasonic has VCC, trigger, echo, and ground. And VCC always goes to 5 volt. So let's color it red. And ground always goes to ground. And we'll color it black. Let me just straighten up the wires over here. Now for trigger and echo, we are going to use the digital pins. So for trigger, I'm going to use 7. And for echo, I'm going to use 6. You can even change the color of echo so we are clear on which is what. And there we have our ultrasonic connected. For this particular circuit, we are also going to be using piezo. So you can scroll down and find the piezo. There we go. And for piezo, the positive will go to pin number 8 and the negative goes to ground. We can always color it black. So there, our piezo is connected and our ultrasonic sensor is also connected, and it's time to code. Of course, you have a built-in code, so you can remove that. What you want over here is, let's read the ultrasonic sensor. So we can go to input first, and you'll see there's a whole big block of that does the job of reading ultrasonic sensor. And then the block takes 3 inputs. So trigger pin, which we know as pin number 7, echo pin as the pin number 6, and that you can confirm over here again. Alright, and yes, unit centimeter is fine for us. Let's make a variable, distance. Now we can set distance to the ultrasonic sensor's distance and detection. What we actually want is, we want our piezo to buzz and LED to light up if anyone is near to the ultrasonic sensor more than, so anything less than 20 centimeter, it should buzz. So now we have to compare, so we can go to math blocks, and here we have a comparison block. We can go to distance. We want distance should be less than 20 centimeter, and if so, we are going to make our pin 13 glow, and if not, we are going to make it low. So that sets our LED. For playing the speaker, we have it on pin number 8. You can always go back to your circuit to find out, and just change this to 0.01. Otherwise you will face problem in simulation because it will not stop until an entire second stops. And then we can just simply put turn speaker over here to pin number 8, and that's pretty much your code. And we can see how it works. We'll start the simulation, and here we have our ultrasonic sensor, and I'm going close. Yeah, this is it.